If you need to cancel a PayPal subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will help you navigate through your PayPal account to manage your subscriptions. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, locate and click on the gear icon or settings option. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal account. Step 3. Navigate to Payment. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payments tab. This section contains all your payment preferences, including subscriptions and pre-approved payment. Step 4. Manage pre-approved payments. Under the Payments tab, look for the option labeled Manage Pre-approved Payments or Manage Subscriptions. Click on it to view a list of all your active subscriptions linked to your PayPal account. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Find the subscription you want to cancel in the list. Click on it to open the details, and then select the option to cancel the subscription. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. After completing these steps, your subscription will be cancelled, and you should receive a confirmation email from PayPal. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for assistance.